If you follow my channel, you know that I've been really happy with Rocketbook's reusable notebooks, but notebooks aren't the only place I take notes. Whether making a grocery list at home or brainstorming for work, I often rely on whiteboards. They're the perfect solution for getting ideas out quickly, but I always struggled with documenting and sharing the results conveniently. So a few weeks ago when Rocketbook sent me these sample whiteboard beacons, I was quite excited to try them out. And in true Rocketbook fashion, the beacons are an incredibly simple product. They're just 4 squishy, vibrant orange triangles that you stick to the corners of your whiteboard to create a quickly recognizable region of interest for Rocketbook's scanning app. Once in place, launch the Rocketbook app. Set up your destinations, the up to 7 cloud folders in popular services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive that you predefine to make the post-scanning storage process easier. Then start a new scan by clicking the camera button and selecting Beacons from the page footer. You can then tap the screen to focus on your whiteboard, and provided all your beacons are in view, scan the contents. Then choose a destination for your scan, or close the screen to only store the note in the app's scan history. Finally, title your scan and finish. In contrast to a simple scanning app, Rocketbook's beacons do require a little more setup the first time you use them, as you have to peel and place and then configure the app destinations. But they have a few benefits that I think justify the reasonable $15 per pack price tag. First, their main value is driven by reuse. After you set up the destinations folder, unless you want to change them, you never have to navigate to those folders again. Simply select which one you want to use. This is a small time saver compared to using your phone's share function to move a picture from your gallery to the cloud location of your choice, but it's a small convenience that I appreciate every time I use it, and it adds up over time. It's worth noting that the beacons aren't tied to a single whiteboard either. Using their micro-suction backing, you can unpeel them and reapply them as many times as you want, washing them with soapy water if they become dirty and start to lose their grip. So I like to take mine on the go with me by sticking them just inside my Everlast notebook. While there's no way to check off a symbol and auto-select your destination like the Everlast notebooks, beacons do get the same optical character recognition features that allow you to auto-title your note by nesting it within 2 double hashtags, and to make your handwritten notes searchable within the app. But I think one of the neatest beacon features is its snapcast ability. You enable this in camera mode in order to share a live picture stream of your whiteboard with friends or colleagues. Simply set up your phone with the whiteboard in view, and in Snapcast mode, it will repeatedly scan your whiteboard and upload the latest images to a URL that you can share with others. This isn't a video stream, but rather a picture stream, with new photos arriving every few seconds depending on how quickly the app can refocus and upload. A neat addition allowing you to bring contrast-enhanced, downloadable images to a teleconference as opposed to just using a webcam. The beacon system isn't perfect though. Despite the reflective coating, there's still been a few times where the lighting isn't great and the camera struggles to find them. Additionally, if you really try, you could skew the beacons in such a way that it warps the scanned image by correcting it to a rectangular form, though I did have to go out of my way to make this actually happen. A single set of 4 beacons should be good for scanning up to an 8-foot whiteboard. But if by chance that's not large enough for you, you can simply pair 2 sets together to make each beacon larger. If you're already within the Rocketbook ecosystem, or you simply share my desire for better whiteboard documentation, the Rocketbook beacons are a pretty cool solution, and they're priced pretty reasonably. But before you consider picking them up using one of my affiliate links in the description below to help support this channel, here's a quick hack so you can try out the workflow for yourself. Simply draw 4 fake beacons using an orange dry erase marker and use the app as if you have real beacons. This works pretty well and could save you in a pinch, but I would still recommend getting the real thing to save the extra time and hassle and to support the Rocketbook company so that they can fund their next cool note-taking innovation. As always, if you found this video helpful, please let me know by hitting the like button down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.